step-by-step guide on how to make your own wine at home. Step 1. Clean and prepare the grapes. Start by cleaning the grapes to remove any dirt or debris. Next, remove the stems from the grapes and mash them using a potato masher. The goal is to break the skins and release the juice, but be careful not to over-mash the grapes and extract too much bitterness. Step 2. Fermentation. Transfer the mashed grapes to a large food-grade bucket and add water. Stir in 1/4 cup of sugar per gallon of wine and sprinkle 1 packet of wine yeast over the mixture. Cover the bucket with a cheesecloth and let it sit for 5 to 7 days, stirring once or twice a day. You should see bubbles forming on the surface, which indicates that fermentation is occurring. Step 3. Siphoning. After 5 to 7 days, the wine will start to clear and the yeast will settle to the bottom of the bucket. Using a siphoning tube, transfer the clear liquid to a clean, sterilized 1-gallon glass carboy, leaving behind the sediment. Step 4. Secondary fermentation. Attach a rubber stopper and an airlock to the top of the carboy. The airlock will allow carbon dioxide to escape while preventing oxygen from entering the container. Let the wine sit for another 2 to 3 weeks, or until the airlock stops bubbling. Step 5. Bottling. Using a sterilized siphoning tube, transfer the wine from the carboy into clean, sterilized wine bottles. Cork the bottles and store them in a cool, dark place for at least 1 to 2 months before drinking. The longer the wine ages, the smoother and more complex it will become. And there you have it, your very own homemade wine. Making wine is a fun and rewarding hobby that can be enjoyed by anyone with a little patience and the right tools. Experiment with different grape varieties and fermentation times to create your own unique blends. Cheers!